Have you ever felt crushed by a failure? A lost job, a broken relationship, an exam you bombed, money gone, dreams shattered. Most people let those moments define them, the Stoics. They turned every single one into rocket fuel. Today I'm going to show you the exact Stoic reframing system that lets you do the same. Turn any failure into your greatest advantage in under 10 minutes every time it happens. Step 1. The 10-second Stoic pause. The moment something goes wrong, before anger or self-pity kicks in, force yourself to say, out loud if you have to, "This is not up to me. My judgment about it is." That single sentence is pure Epictetus. It instantly draws the line. The event is outside your control. The story you tell yourself about it is 100% in your control. Do this within 10 seconds, and you stop the emotional spiral dead. Step 2. The premeditatio reframe, Seneca's favorite trick. Ask yourself 3 questions Seneca used every single morning. What is the worst part of this? Be brutally specific. Did anybody die? 99% of the time, the answer is no. Perspective restored. What opportunity is hiding inside this disaster? Every single failure carries a seed of equal or greater advantage, but only if you look for it. Real example. Seneca was exiled by Emperor Claudius, basically cancelled 2,000 years before Twitter existed. He could have raged. Instead, he asked question 3 and wrote some of his deepest philosophical letters from a rocky island. Those letters are why we still quote him today. Exile became his greatest advantage. Step 3. Amor fati, love of fate. Marcus Aurelius wrote in his journal at night, "Today something bad happened. Good. It was necessary for my training." He didn't just accept failure. He welcomed it like a sparring partner. Your new mantra starting today. Not my will, but fate's will. Bring it on. Say it. Mean it. And watch how fast failure stops feeling heavy. Step 4. The evening reframe ritual. 5 minutes that change everything. Tonight before bed, open your journal and write 4 lines. What failed today? What was actually in my control that I can improve? Usually effort, honesty, courage. What strength did this failure force me to build? Thank you, fate, for the training. I've done this every night for 2 years. Failed business, taught me financial discipline, betrayed by a friend, taught me who deserves my trust, public humiliation, taught me I can survive shame and keep walking. Every scar became muscle. Here's the brutal Stoic truth. The universe is not trying to break you. It's a master sculptor and the chisel hurts. But it's shaping you into something unbreakable. So next time life hits you in the face, smile and say, "Thank you for the reps." If this video helped even one of you reframe a failure today, do 3 things. Hit the like button. It really helps the channel. Drop in the comments the biggest failure you're going to reframe this week. I read every single one. Subscribe and ring the bell because next week we're covering the Stoic morning routine that changed my life forever. Remember, a Stoic doesn't hope for less failure. A Stoic trains to love whatever comes. I'll see you in the arena. Stay unshakable.